You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. The top word here is a word. It's the past tense of the verb to dig. The bottom is a name, D-O-U-G. They're both pronounced as dug. Same exact pronunciation. I dug a hole in the ground. From the verb to dig, I dig a hole in the ground, or I dug. Now, Doug is a name, which I think is short for Douglas. Doug is how to pronounce it. English pronunciation, Doug. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.